Ice ball mold for cold pleasure. There are lots of reasons for why people like using ice, and not all of them are out of the kind of purposes that one would attribute to the frozen liquid. There are those that would use ice for creating works of art, while others make use of ice for the purposes of treating injuries. In terms of food and drinks though, ice is favored for how it complements flavors or is instrumental in appreciating certain beverages. But there are many issues that one can encounter when using ice to chill drinks or food. One among these is the surface of ice cubes, which make them easy to melt, and which ice ball mold options can easily address. Why use ice ball mold? Perhaps the biggest reason for why an ice ball mold would naturally come off as a good idea would be because of how it will chill your drinks. But this is something that ice cubes can do as well, so why would an ice ball be any better or different other than the shape? Well, it is all in the shape actually. An ice in the form of a ball trumps ice in the form of a cube. When the ice is dropped into the beverage, it is only to be expected that the ice would melt at some point. But because of the surface of the ice in the form of a cube that offers plenty of resistance, the ice cubes would melt faster than if it were to offer less resistance. This is what ice balls can offer. Ice balls generally last much longer than ice cubes when soaked in liquid because of minimal resistance that its surface offers. This means that your beverage will stay cold for a longer period of time, which then means that you will not be pressured into finishing your drink before the ice completely melts. As any social drinker would know, being rushed can be a complete bummer. Ice balls also offer plenty of benefits on the aesthetic side because it gives you plenty of options in using it for decorating, adding some flair to your food, or even turning it into some attractive frozen beverages. And since it will last a lot longer as opposed to when it is a cube, you can take your time with it and use it for whatever purposes without feeling the pressure of time.